Forget about what every YouTube guru tells you about how to earn money on YouTube. I'm going to share with you what has helped me earn $1,200 last month in YouTube monetization. It's a very simple strategy that anyone can do from home to earn some side hustle income. Okay, so if you understand this one thing, then you'll understand why the strategy works. Now, most people go to YouTube because they want to learn how to do something, such as how to draw, how to tie a tie, how to make a paper airplane, or how to crochet for beginners. Now, back in the day, people used to search Google for how to do something, but really it's YouTube where people go to because they like to watch things in video format. So for example, someone who's considering downloading the Field Agent app may want to go to YouTube and see how exactly it works, and they may want to watch a video of someone actually using the gig app. Well, if you're someone that uses the Field Agent gig app, then you are qualified to put together a YouTube tutorial on how to use the Field Agent app. You can record these tutorials right on your smartphone. You don't need a fancy camera in order to do this. Now upload your video on YouTube. As a monetized creator, YouTube will pay you for every person that watches your tutorial. Then repeat this process of creating how-to videos and let YouTube pay you for everyone that watches your how-to tutorial videos. Now, if you want to make even more money with your video tutorials, then check out this video I recorded for you on how to earn $200 or more per day posting boring YouTube video tutorials.